Okay, guys, 1-6, we're looking at scatter plots. This is another way of plotting some statistical information. We may have, let's look at population. And we're going to look at the population of, we're just making this up, so let's call it, let's see, it's fall almost, it's still summer, let's call it Somerville. Okay, we're going to look at the population of Somerville, and let's say we're going to look at the last 5 years, so we're going to go 2012, 2011, 2010, 2009, and 2008. And let's say our little town of Somerville is going to increase in population. So let's say in 2008 it started at 12,000. Then we went to 15,000. And then 17,000. And then 20,000. And then finally, let's say we ended up at 25,000. We're going to create a scatter plot that shows this type of information. You know what? I don't want to do that. I want to make straight lines. Okay, so now we're going to look at the population sizes.
Attention students and teachers.
Okay, excuse the little interruption. We're back at it. Let's go on the sides. We're going to start with our 08, and we go to 09, 2010, 2011, 2012. And at the bottom, we're going to go from, and this is in thousands, we're going to go from 10,000 to 25,000. So let's go by fours. 14,000, 18,000, 22,000, and 26,000. Okay, so in 2008, we had a population of 12,000 people. So we're going to be right here. In 2009, we had a population of 15,000 people. So we're going to be right here. 2010, we went to 17. So maybe right there. 2011, we were right at 20. So approximately in there. And 2012, we were at 25,000 people. So that's just a little bit less than our 26. So what are you noticing in this pattern? Okay, we started out at the bottom and we went up. That's called a positive relationship. If we would have decreased, it would have been a decreased or a negative relationship. And if everything was scattered, let's say for example, let's say we made a general plot and it looked something like this. Let's say we put our points on it, and I'm not going to worry about what's on the side. Let's say we put our points on it and they were just everywhere. Okay, we've had a positive relationship in our last example. We could have a negative relationship if it went down. Let me go ahead and do a negative one as well. That first example was a positive one. This might be, oh, I don't want to do that. Go back to my pencil. Okay. So this one would be a negative relationship. And this one, because it goes up and down, okay, because it goes up and down, this one would be no relationship. Okay, so we have positive on our first one. Positive in our first one, and then we have a negative relationship to the right, and then to the left we have no relationship. So we're just going to plot some points and determine if they are positive, negative, or none. So we'll do that in class tomorrow. We'll see you then.